The purpose of the CTLT is to offer a space for primarily our students at Iowa State who are in our educator prep program and our graduate students that are in the School of Education. It's a space for them to come, learn, and really support each other by learning about new technologies, being able to check out technologies and use them in their K-12 schools that they visit or in the classes that they are enrolled in at Iowa State. The CTLT has numerous types of technologies, and actually we offer an online kind of directory of what we have, but we also have things that are technologies that are very, very popular right now in K-12 schools, so that our goal is that when students are preparing to be teachers here, that they are learning about these technologies in their courses, they have access to those technologies in their courses, and then are able to use them and check them out when they're actually in their K-12 or pre-K-12 classrooms. Our CTLT is primarily designed to support our students who are enrolled in our educator prep program, but that does include students that are across campus, because we have students in other colleges that are preparing to be teachers too. So others can access the space, but to check out the equipment, you would have to be in our educator prep program.